let's see. So I think it's, as I said last time, actually it's from writings of Chofetz Chaim's son. So it says, a practical partner in life. My father once remarked that one can never be sure where exactly lay his place of good fortune and contentment. He explained that before meeting my mother, he was offered shidduchim with young women from very wealthy homes. One prominent man offered him enormous dowry. So that was the dream of Chofetz Chaim, to get to get married. Like every I guess God-fearing avrech, that's what they want. They want learn as much Torah as possible, as long as possible. So you need to marry someone who is rich parents. That's the only way. When he's right, so somebody offering him shidduch, right, young girl, and father was very rich. When his relatives heard that he had become engaged in a small town of Radin to the daughter of his stepfather, right? So it says Chofetz Chaim was orphan at 10 years old, who was a modest means and not of the noteworthy lineage. They become agitated in their comment, turned his they become agitated, and their comments disturb his peace of mind. My father, however, refused to even consider breaking the engagement. Reflecting upon his decision, my father told me, were it not for this small, tranquil town, that the deeds of your mother, who knows if I would have been able to devote myself to the study of the Torah, rather than becoming overtaken by preoccupation of daily living, as it was the case of many of my peers. So that's a very interesting. So, okay, we stop here. So